Hey everyone, ready to uncover the secrets of seduction psychology? Today, I'm gonna show you how to make her chase you. Yep, you heard that right. So, let's dive in. First up, confidence is key. Girls are naturally drawn to guys who are confident in themselves. It says, I know who I am, and I'm worth it. The trick here is to genuinely believe in yourself. No need to be cocky, just comfortable in your own skin. Next, mystery is your best friend. Don't reveal everything about yourself right away, keep her guessing. When you're a bit of a puzzle, she'll be intrigued and want to know more. Trust me, curiosity is a powerful thing. Now, let's talk about being a challenge. Make her work for your attention, but be careful. There's a fine line between being a challenge and playing hard to get. Make sure you're showing interest, but don't be too available. Balance is key. Humor is another powerful tool. Making her laugh is one of the quickest ways to her heart. It shows you're fun to be around and can lighten up any situation. Plus, who doesn't love a good laugh? It's also crucial to be genuinely interested in her. Ask about her passions, her dreams, her favorite things. Listen actively and show that you care. This makes her feel valued and appreciated. Lastly, don't be afraid to be yourself. Authenticity is incredibly attractive. When you're true to who you are, she'll feel more comfortable being herself around you too. And that's where real connections happen. So there you have it, folks. Confidence, mystery, challenge, humor, genuine interest, and authenticity. Master these, and she'll be the one chasing you. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more dating tips. Catch you in the next one.